let me show you how to make air fryer peanut butter cookies that are soft, rich, and full of peanut butter flavor. This easy, classic peanut butter cookie recipe comes together quickly and is perfect when you want a small batch of cookies without turning on the oven. To make these peanut butter cookies, let's start by adding 1½ cups or 180 grams of all-purpose flour to a mixing bowl. Then add 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and give the flour a quick whisk. Next, in a separate large mixing bowl, add 113 grams of softened unsalted butter, 100 grams of granulated sugar, and 100 grams of packed light brown sugar. Use an electric mixer to beat everything together for about 2 minutes until the mixture looks smooth, creamy, and a little lighter in color. Next, let's add 250 grams of smooth peanut butter to the bowl. Mix it in with the electric mixer for about 30 seconds until the peanut butter is fully blended into the butter and sugar mixture and everything looks smooth and evenly combined. Next, add 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together for about 30 seconds until the egg is fully blended in and the mixture looks smooth and creamy, as you can see in the video here. Next, let's add in all of the flour. Mix on low speed for 20 seconds, just until the flour has disappeared. Stop mixing as soon as everything comes together so the dough does not become overmixed. Next, I like to use a cookie scoop to portion out about 2 tablespoons of dough for each cookie. You can also use a regular tablespoon if you do not have a cookie scoop. Give each piece of dough a quick roll between your hands to smooth it into a neat ball. This helps the cookies keep a more even shape as they cook in the air fryer. This recipe makes about 10 to 12 cookies, so you can cook a few now and keep the rest of the dough covered in the fridge for later, whenever you feel like having more fresh, warm peanut butter cookies. Use a fork to make the classic crisscross pattern on top of each cookie, giving them that familiar homemade peanut butter cookie look before they start cooking. Then, air fry the peanut butter cookies in a preheated air fryer at 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 6 minutes until your kitchen smells absolutely amazing and the edges of the cookies look set. If the air fryer is not preheated, cook them for about 1 minute longer. The centers should still look slightly soft because the cookies will firm up as they cool. I really like how these peanut butter cookies turn out in the air fryer. They have a little crispness around the edges, but the middle stays soft, warm, and tender. The peanut butter flavor comes through really well, and the textures almost melt in your mouth while they are still fresh. I always mean to leave them to cool, but honestly, I usually end up eating all of them while they are still warm. If you liked these air fryer peanut butter cookies, you have to try my air fryer chocolate chip cookies next. Here, also. Check it out now!